Hi, so I was going to do this as one video, but I thought it would be better as two, because not everybody who wants to see the 101s, the Air Force 101s, is going to see my next ones, and they are something different. For everyone who's, not that everyone's watched it, but I bought the Nike ISPA Grifters, now the Gator version, which has got kind of like a sleeve that unfurls from the back in an effort to kind of protect you from kind of wet weather. Tried them on, wore them on. I'll obviously have to do a review for them at some point, but they're so comfortable. So I thought I'd try the other ISPA Grifters. Now these are these ones. Now these are the Grifter split toe, split sock. Don't worry, we'll open it and have a look. I haven't tried these on yet. I'm sure they'll be fine. But we'll open it up. We'll have a look and see what comes inside there. So I think I'm just going to do this one straight off the bat. Just do it like this, basically. So as you can see, you get your own special pair of socks with them. Now these are split toes to go with the split-toed ISPAs. Now they are, well, we'll say unique. I'm interested to see how comfortable they're going to be, but they're incredibly lightweight. I love the high kind of back on the heel. It's got the same kind of what I think it's like a recycled kind of off-cut kind of thing that goes in the sole. You can see you've got your clear elements on the bottom, just like the Grifters there as well, the Gator versions as well. They're incredibly light. Like it's the other ones are almost like, despite the kind of added kind of thing on the back of the heel with the kind of folded up half trouser leg, I suppose you could call it, pants leg. They're very light, and these are even lighter. Despite the interesting kind of design elements, you've got the interesting kind of lace ups. You've got the kind of pull cord ties on the tongue there. They're really light. I suppose really because there's nothing kind of flash about them. There's no kind of heel element. There's no it's not air or anything like that, because I always find that kind of the Nike Airs, especially the Air Force ones, which I've just opened up, are heavier than these kind of foam soles. And I suppose it's because it's just because of what they're used for. So the Air Force ones are designed to be, well, they're style shoes, they're fashion shoes, every day if you really wanted to wear them. But these, they're meant to be lightweight, they're meant to be comfortable, they're meant to be used, I guess, over kind of long distances. I don't see how they could classed as a kind of style shoe because of the split toe. Maybe I'm just slightly old-fashioned, but they're awesome. I love them. You can get them in a darker blue. I prefer lighter colours, which is probably good. I've got the kind of cleaning kits to kind of look after these things, but yeah, I'm really happy with these. They're such a bizarre shoe, such a bizarre sneaker, but I do really like the design and how they look. So happy days. Obviously, I think there'll be, when I get round to it, there'll be a review of it rather than just an unboxing to see how comfortable they are, I suppose would be the word. But thanks for tuning in. I'm going to pop these up at the same time. Like, subscribe. Thanks to those who've liked and commented on my videos so far. It's been really nice to interact with people. But yeah, thanks very much and have a nice day.